So what type of equipment is most frequently installed? All right, guys, tip of the day. So if you're trying to get into the HVAC industry, you need to know what people are installing in residential homes and in light commercial. And you need to know this because if you're trying to get a job, you got to be able to put your finger and have some answers for your future bosses. Okay, so here's the answer. Gas electric split systems. We're talking about a furnace, coil, and a condenser outside. Okay, that's the most commonly used system. The second one, and now it's becoming even more popular, is the split heat pump. Now, right now, if you're living in California, you already know we got this thing called electrification. And if you don't know what that means, look it up, guys. You really need to be up on this term because that's where the future is headed. All right. Now, heat pumps are what basically an air conditioner that just reverses the refrigerant flow. And all you need to know is how they're installed, guys, and get the manuals, download them, read them, learn all about it. Gas furnaces, split systems, heat pump split systems. And once you know that, guys, you're ready to get hired, right? Good luck.